So yesterday I made a video and I told that there is a waiting line of Diecast Cars I still have to do a review about. Well, today I got another box with this Porsche right here. This one from X-Car Toys, both with a mini car book. And what's also pretty interesting is this one from 596. Here I've got another one. And yes, I got a Humvee over there. Did a review about the Humvee from 596, but this is a different color. But today I'm going to do a review about this Mercedes-Benz 560sec AMG from Rhino model. Do we know Rhino model? Well, I think I did a review about a Toyota Land Cruiser from Rhino model. We can have a look at that because it might be possible that I put it here. No. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Here it is. So this is from Rhino models. Does it say Rhino models? No. Doesn't say, but you have to believe me. So this is from the brand Rhino models. It got an opening hood, I believe. It's a little bit difficult with one hand. Ah, there we go. Yeah, opening hood, but you can look it up on my YouTube channel. Did a review about it, and now I'm here anyway. Let's put this one on the ground. I see that I have another 560sec. So we're going to have a look at that one as well. And I also got the one from Hot Wheels here in front of me. But first we're going to have a look at this one. Still in the plastic. And yes, I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it. It's now available on AliExpress. Let's switch to another camera mode. Yeah, this is good. So we can see it's a 1/64 scale. It's a die-cast model. I like that. Comes in a nice display case. This looks a little bit weird, profile on the tires, but the most important thing is the model inside. Rhino model logo and some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Is it a licensed product? I don't think so. Okay. Looks pretty good, I have to say. One windscreen wiper, we got side mirrors, we even have some color details in the interior. Yeah, I like these style rims. Oh yeah, interior is very nice. I think these here in the back are supposed to be some speakers. AMG license plate, well, definitely needs a German license plate, but I'm going to fix that later. 560sec on the back and AMG on the right. Silver exhaust tip. Oh, got a sunroof. Let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, very good looking interior. See if I can focus on even the Mercedes logo on the steering wheel. Not bad at all. Okay, let's take it off the base. and see if we have a metal base. There we go. Yes, we got a metal base with some details. Yeah, they screw was a little bit too tight. Now we got a flat tire here. That's also a downside of these display packets with the screw. With box package you don't have that problem. Wheels are rolling pretty well, I have to say. Yeah, very cool model. Okay, how does it look next to the one from Hot Wheels? So the one from Hot Wheels is also 1/64 scale, and I think they're pretty much the same size. The one from Hot Wheels is a little bit wider. Yeah, the one from Rhino Models has lanced rear lights. And the one from Hot Wheels, yeah, pretty much the same. No Mercedes logo in the middle. The one from Hot Wheels got the Mercedes logo. And I have to say, I also like the license plate from Hot Wheels a little bit more, but yeah, those are custom wheels. Those are not the original wheels. And the one from Hot Wheels has a very bad steering wheel. But hey, it's not a premium, it's a mainline. But even for a mainline, it's very bad. And no side windows. But yeah, you have to be honest. You also pay a lot more for a Rhino model. And you can look up the price in the description of the video. There I'll place a link of where I bought it. Feels really heavy, good quality. Then we're going to have a look at this one right here. This is from the brand Diecast Team. Really good price quality. Already did a review about it. Also got the black version. Lanced front lights, 500 sec. So this is a normal 500 sec. This was actually my first car I had in real life. And this one has a plastic base, but it got a silver exhaust like that. Rubber tires, whoop. Good interior, good steering wheel. So windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Like I said, price quality of this one is really good. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and let me know what you think about this Rhino model 560 sec. Click, click, click. Bye.